Hey, how's it going, Rebecca Orlando with Soaring SEO? We spoke on the phone earlier today, so I appreciate you taking my call and I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, I simply just want to show you three things that you guys are able to implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door. And now you're probably asking yourself, why, right? Why would I be sending you guys a video like this? The reason being is I've seen that majority of most of business owners are simply too busy to come in here, look at the internet, and see how it truly impacts the growth of a business. Especially right now, digital marketing, you guys can really get it to work for you guys in all these changing times. And I've seen that when it comes to outsourcing, there's a huge hesitation there because you don't know who the expert is nowadays. And I've seen that by giving a video like this with tips and tricks and it's just an informative video for you guys has resulted in a lot of these companies coming back and saying, hey, you know what, Alando, we are too busy. Would you be able to do it for us? So, if you like what you've heard by the end of this video, you believe I have plenty of tricks up my sleeve that can really benefit your company, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just want to integrate these things yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. I have no problem with that. All I ask for is a review on how I did on this video. So let's get right into it. The three things that I want to talk about is content, citation, and backlink. Those will be the three most important thing that Google is going to come in here and look at when they rank your website. Now, with content, content is everything. Content is king, like they say. And the average website, the one with the most authority on the first page of Google search, they have about 1,500 to 2,000 words. So that's the target that you really want to aim for, and that's going to be including like pictures and videos and what you save them as and what's behind them. So if we come in here and first off, I want to say you guys have a really nice little design. It's very nice and clean and elegant. Your whole website is nice. It's very easy to go through as a customer. You can see exactly the services you guys provide. So in general, on a design standpoint, you guys are doing well. So now what we need to do is we need to get people to look at this nice website. So if we come in here and we grab all this content that you have in here, we come in here and we check on this word counter. So you guys have a little over 1,000 words of content. So that's not bad, but you really want to aim for that 2,000 mark just so you can really blow your competition out of the water. I know a lot of your competition is around 1,000, so you really want to aim for that 2,000 to really up the game, and not only just naming or not only just putting content in there in general, but really specifying the services that you guys provide in the areas that you guys provide the services, and you want to put in their keywords or key phrases so you can get found. And now, if you're asking yourself what is a keyword or key phrase, it's all simply just what somebody would type into this search bar engine into Google when they're trying to search something up. So in this case, I typed in AC repair Lubbock, Texas. As you can see here, those are getting that key phrase alone is getting 50 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this front page, on this first page, you guys are missing out on a lot of potential clients. So if we actually come in here and try to look for that key phrase in your homepage, it's nowhere to be found. So when you guys are writing up some more of this content, I would highly suggest just to add that in there a couple times, maybe even rename some of these pictures and images that you guys have in here, because these are going to be including like these links that what they're saved as, some of these pictures here. So if we come in here and look at this, you can see that it's just named one, so it's just named at random. And I'm sure that's going to be the case with a lot of this stuff. They're just going to be named at random. So I would just highly suggest to come in here and to really look at and add that in there a couple times, that key phrase, since it is a high ranking and a high volume key phrase. Second thing that I want to talk about is citation. All a citation is the name of a company, the address, and the phone number. Now you're trying to get your citation or your contact information in as many directories as possible. Some of the bigger directories, examples of those would be like LinkedIn, Yellow Page, White Page, um, Star City. Some of those are bigger platforms. I know Facebook now allows you to add a citation in there for your business. So those are all. If you're not already on there, I would highly suggest to get on there and and I'll show you exactly how the competition side works here in a quick second, but I want to go through this backlink first. With backlinks, this area here is the organic search area, the second phase of Google search. Now, with this is going to be kind of a combination of all three with rich content on your front page and plenty of citation and then backlinks. Backlinks is like a big popularity contest. Google in general is just a huge popularity contest. They want to see as many websites linking back to your page saying you're a trustworthy website. Now, you want to keep in mind though, not all backlinks and citations are created equal. So a lot of times, a lot of these marketers are just trying to mash in as many backlinks and citations into one website as possible. Now, Sometimes it works, but majority of the time, because Google's going to look at it and they want to see something that's relatable to the field of your work. So in your case, you guys are an HVAC company, so they would like to see. So say there's two websites, Site A and Site B. Site A is working as the link juice and is working at the power. So it's gonna have a link on there going back to your homepage or whatever you guys are directing it to, and it's gonna give you guys the authority in Google's eyes. But say that Site A is like a restaurant, so you guys do a maintenance for a restaurant or something like that. Google's gonna see that, and it's not gonna give you the power and the authority that it would have if it was another HVAC company or a subcontractor or contractor in general, maybe you guys have worked with in the past. Those would be ideal because Google's going to see that, and it's going to know you guys aren't in the restaurant game. You guys don't sell food or anything like that. So it's not going to give you the power and the authority that it would have if it's something relatable to the field of your work. Um, so you really want to watch that. And what you want to do if you're wanting to get ranked up in this top 10, so every page is going to have 10 websites on it. So every 10, if you want to get ranked up in this first top 10 or top 15, top 20, whatever the case is, you really want to see the backlinks and citations that your competitors have. Now, the tool that I use personally is called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. It is a couple $100 a month, but it's a great tool to show you exactly what's working and what's not for your website. But there's plenty of tools out there that you can go out there and grab so you can see and compare the citations, the backlinks, and the keywords that you're getting found for on your website and your competitors. So if we look at yours here in general, you have 16 referring websites. Go giving you a link back to your page, and is give if out of those 16 websites it's giving you 40 backlinks, and you're getting found for 98 keywords. Now if we look at one of your competitors is Bruce Thornton, and this is the ones that I chose here, and you can see that they're number one here. So the citations and their backlinks that they have are working for them. So what you would want to do is you would want to go in there, grab what they have, and not only just do that, but grab a little bit more, because you really just wanted to blow your competition out of the water. And I chose them just because they're number one here. And if we come in here, you can see that they have 190 referring websites going back to them, giving them over 1,000 backlinks, and they're getting found for over 2,000 keywords. Um, I know the numbers look a little bit different, but it's very doable, very easy. And the faster you guys start implementing this, and the faster you guys start doing kind of like what I call a copycat method, is the faster you're going to start seeing yourself rank. So what you would want to come in here and grab these backlinks, look at what they have. So you can see here expertise.com, yellowpages.com. You can see lifehack.org, more yellow pages, vocal media, cityfoes.com, cyclist.us.com, contractorsup.com. So there's a lot of these that are obviously they're working for them to get them ranked up here. So it's going to work for you guys. You guys are simply just having to put in the time and look at exactly what they're doing and implement it into yours, and then just doing a little bit beyond that so you can really blow them out of the water. And that's going to be the exact same thing with not even just with Bruce Thorn, but you can do that in with Snow Bear, Heart Heating and Air. And like I said, there's plenty of tools out there that you can go in there and look at exactly what they got going on and compare them, and then go in there and get them for yourself. With that, Rebecca, kind of concludes everything. A quick recap of everything is content. 1,500 to 2,000 words. You really want to implement the services that you guys provide, and not only that, but add in those key phrases in there a couple times into that, and maybe rename a couple pictures, citations, Facebook, LinkedIn, all those good pages. If you guys aren't already on there, get them. And not only just do that, but grab what your competitors have, what these big guys have. Look at some of these tools that are out there available to you guys, and look at the citation backlinks that they have. If it's working for them, it's going to work for you. So I would just go in there, get as many as you can. If not, if you guys want to save yourself the headache and the trouble, and you guys want somebody to come in here and kind of touch up on everything here and add the content that's really going to get you guys noticing and to get you the customers you guys need, give me a call, 719-924 7601. I look forward to speaking with you guys. You guys have a good one.